dynamic panel pagination controls. So we are in lesson 8. In a previous lesson, we have seen pagination. It's just the numbers. While we click on this, it is switching to the respective screen or a page. Now, today we'll learn to add the next and previous button and their interactions for the next and previous button, and how it will be disabled when it is in last page, and how previous button will be disabled if it is in first page. So let's start. We'll duplicate this lesson. So previously we have done the pagination just with the numbers. Like here, while we click on one, it is going to the page 1, and then while click on 2, it is going to the page 2, or you can say the state 2. So here we are going to add next and previous button. So it's simple. First will we align this to the center, and then this one will copy, and this 5 will copy. Now this corner is radius, so we'll come here in a style. We can make this corner a square. So little space, yeah. And the same here, this corner is radius, make it a square, and then this. Now it is the previous one, and it is the next one. We can make it little bold. Next, so here we'll name it previous, and we'll name it next. So here we need to add the disable state. Right click, style effect, and here mouse over, selected state is there. Now disable state. So field color, and make it this, and the font color also we need to change. So we'll use this color. Okay, now next, here also we need to change the disable. So field color and the font color. Done. Now we need to give the interaction. So here it is a previous one. Interaction we will change. We'll say this to previous, and here we'll say to next. Now we'll preview first. But it is not getting disabled. So here these all are not getting highlighted. So while clicking on this previous button, it is in fourth state, so the fourth numbers would be highlighted, and when clicking on the next, the fifth number should be highlighted. So how will do that? So simple, just select this and say new interaction, panel state change, and then enable case, state panel of this state 1. So okay, and then we'll add set selected checked. This one will be true if it is a state 1, and then we have to add state panel of this should be state 1. The same way we'll add the all state case. It is for state 2 and set selected checked, 2 is true, and then state panel 2. Again for the next state 3, and set panel 4, number 4, and state panel 4. Next state 5 and set selected checked 5th, and then state panel is the 5th. So we'll see this. So it is in state 2, state 3 is highlighted, 4th is highlighted, 5th is highlighted, but the next button should be disabled if it is in 5th state. So how we'll make that? Now if it is in state 1, we'll say set selected checked. This is for the previous, so we won't use this set selected checked. Instead of that, we'll use enable disable. For the previous, it will be disabled. If it come to the state 2, it will become enable. The same things we have to do. If it is in 5th state, enable disable. The next, if it come to the 4th state, enable disable, enable. So here it is disable and here it is enable. So let's see the preview. Next one is disable, so we'll do the, so now it is enable. Now we'll come to the 5th state, it become disable. So it is done. So overall what we have used here, the panel state change, while it is going to be the panel of the state 1, automatically other interaction is getting place, which we have given here. So it is very easy, and you can make it more beautiful. So how is the lesson? Please let me know. Add your comment so I can get to know whether I am going too fast or okay. Thank you very much.